Alam mo bang 2 months of payroll ang nasasayang mo dahil sa mga meetings? According to a study of 5,000 workers conducted by Atlassian, the average employee spends 31 hours per month in unproductive meeting. This translates to a staggering 372 hours per year, nearly 2 months of work time. So if you do the math, assuming ang sahod mo sa tao ay 30,000 per month, 30,000 times 2 months per year times 10 employees, nagsasayang ka ng 600,000 per year in payroll. Kaya hindi na ako magtataka bakit maraming nalulugi na negosyo dahil sa mga meeting na yan. So kailangan mo ba tanggalin ng mga meetings ng kumpanya? Hindi. Ang kailangan mo is kopyahin ang 3 bagay na ginagawa namin para hindi ka nagtatapon ng pera. Number 1, schedule. Maraming negosyante nagpapabigla-bigla ng meeting, no? Kasi meron silang naisip na bagong idea or meron silang gustong sabihin sa team. Ang problema dito is dinidisrupt mo ang deep work ng team. And sa deep work, lumalabas ang highest productivity ng team. Deep work meaning nagtatrabaho sila na hindi dinidisturbo. At ito pa, madalas hinahatak mo mga taong hindi naman dapat kasama sa meeting. Kaya may mga meetings ka na 10 kayo kahit 3 lang doon nagsasalita. Tama? So to avoid this, lahat ng meetings namin is scheduled at klaro kung sino ang kasama at hindi kasama in advance. Number 2, prepared. Na-experience mo ba bang meeting supposedly ng 30 minutes kaya lang umaabot ng 2 hours? Dahil yan, hindi nyo ginagawa yung pangalawa, preparation. Ngayon, imagine kung meron kayo mga investors na gusto mag-invest sa kumpanya mo. Kaya lang, wala kang slides, wala kang document, at wala kang preparation. Ano sa tingin mo ang magiging outcome ng meeting? Most likely, it's gonna go really, really bad. Tama? Hindi mo lang napapansin pero ganyan mismo ang nangyayari sa meeting mo kung hindi kayo prepared. Ngayon, baliktarin natin. Imagine every single team member in the meeting has a presentation, merong document to present, and merong numbers and projection. How do you think the meeting would look like? Diba? That is the power of preparation. And lastly, number 3, structured. Ngayon, you might be asking,
Tibo, ano ba dapat i-prepare ko?
ganito ang structure namin. Okay, number 1, numbers. We always start with numbers. Hindi agenda, kasi kung walang numbers, useless yung buong meeting nyo kasi nanguhula lang kayo. You might be solving the wrong problems in the business. Number 2, wins. What are the things that were accomplished or went well last week? Number 3, challenges. Here, we address the concerns and problems. And number 4, action steps. What are the things that needs to be done after the meeting? So, ang structure namin, numbers, wins, challenges, action steps. So, remember, meetings are a waste of time unless they are scheduled, prepared, and structured.